Alright guys, so I put the doors off of here and I'm gonna use brake cleaner just to clean this up here. I will be scuffing all of this, and all of this will be getting re-jammed. I'm gonna tape this off. I'm not gonna worry about in there, but most of this is gonna get all re-jammed in here. So I got the rocker on there. Alright, so I got my mask on guys, but I did a video showing my guy Dwayne how to clean his frame, his power steering pump, or power steering. But I just wanted to show you here that this here, that brake cleaner does not mess the paint up. See that? So I just sprayed this down. I still got a little bit more degreasing to do. I'll do it tomorrow. But you see, it cleaned a lot of that grease up off of there. Still some grease on there. But it don't mess up the paint, guys. So, you know, you look, it ain't gonna make the paint bubble off or anything. So I'll take a brush and I'll come in tomorrow. And like I say, I'll strain this. Like this is about done dripping here. So I strain this and I reuse this, guys. I pour it just, that's a peanut, you know, little peanut thing that I got there. So I'll reuse this, guys, and I dip a little paintbrush in there, and I'll come in tomorrow and get the rest of this cleaned up. So it's just easier for me to do it this way. Then I can use my regular degreaser to wipe it down and get it ready and scuff for paint, guys. All right.